For a few years now, I've been using a QuadLock phone mount on my bike to mount my phone. I used to have an Android phone, Samsung Android phone, never had any problems with it. However, since I got this iPhone last year, I mounted it. I got the QuadLock stick-on mount for the back of the case, and I mounted it onto the camera, onto the mount. And last year, I noticed that after a while, the camera started to have problems. It would hunt to autofocus and emit a buzzing sound. And when you looked at the screen, when you were taking a picture, it would be jittery, right? So basically, the phone was ruined. The camera was ruined. The phone worked, but the camera was ruined. So I had to have the phone replaced. Then I got another holder for the S1000 and installed that there, not thinking that it was a vibration issue. And that was hard mounted, just like this one is. This is a hard mounted fixture here. And very first ride, it caused the phone to fail, the replacement phone. So this is my second iPhone now that has been replaced under warranty. So what to do? Well, QuadLock have come out with a motorcycle vibration dampener, and that's what I'm going to install today in place of this. It's a beautiful product actually, and the system, the QuadLock system, is a modular system. So all I need to do is to take this off, install this there, and then put this back on top of it, which is what I'll show you. Show you what's inside the box. This is the dampener here, and it comes with an Allen key, which I'm probably not going to use. But that's it, and I think it's 20 bucks. I'm going to double check the price and let you know. But essentially what you do, and pardon any kind of my arm in the way here, but I don't have my additional lighting today, so I'm just using the overhead lighting. Okay, but you take this off, this screw off, okay, then you take this piece off, and I've got a little RAM extension piece here, right? So this this QuadLock mount that I have has a ball end on it. So I just take that off, then I take this piece and stick it on there. Now I don't know which orientation to put it in. Let's put it like this, with this part vertical, only because, you know, why not? So let us use the Allen key that came with it, because this little screw here is down in a hole here. So I've got to reach in there, and I can't do that with my screwdriver. So what this has underneath here is a set of teeth that fit into this kind of like a stationary gear here, and that just stops it from rotating around. So you just catch the screws in there, and then once you got it snugged down a little bit, and that screw's got some Loctite on it, by the way. Make sure your OCD is allowing you to kind of like line this thing up perfectly vertically. Good. Now that this is installed, you can see it's got some good vibration characteristics right there. It's actually moving on these rubber mounts right here, so that's a good sign. So now I've just got to put the original piece back on like that, and maybe, I'm hoping this doesn't get into the way of this little tab, but we'll find out. But this has the same kind of arrangement where it's a little bit of a toothed gear type arrangement here, and that's going to fit into the toothed female part, I guess, on the mount. So just put that back in, put that screw back on, and then screw it down. Hopefully it all goes together, as I hope. Again, pardon the lighting. I'm too lazy to get my lamp, but this should be fine. Okay, that's tightened down nice. Look at that. That's not gonna, hopefully, if that shakes the hell out of this damn iPhone, then I'll get rid of the iPhone. Put it that way. Look at this. And then to release, you just press that. It's the best mount on the market is a QuadLock. If this goes well and my phone isn't ruined, I'm going to buy another setup similar to this with a vibration dampener, and I'm going to put it on the S1000 because I hate riding with my camera, with my phone in my pocket. I really don't like that. Vibration proof. Of course, it'll probably jiggle when it's on the bike, but you know, this is not going to be an issue. Beautiful. Hope you found this video useful. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing and sharing the video. Thank you very much.